My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done just over 39,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can access navigation, media and smartphone integration. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode, web browser, and we can access our eco data. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our climate control, which includes smart climate to improve the vehicle's range. The I-Pace has 4 different driving modes to choose from. So we have our rain, ice and snow, eco, comfort and dynamic. Using these buttons just below, we can control the vehicle's suspension. As we go into the back, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.